Hello and welcome to a new Crocfix video tutorial. So let's see if you are struggling with installing Windows 11 on your older notebook, older PC, what to do. So I'm booting up here with my Windows 11 USB key here prepared, and I'm like getting always an error here when I want to install it to my PC. So let's just look up what to do. Here you just choose your language, and then here the language for your keyboard, and then you want to install Windows, and then you agree with everything, that everything will be erased, and then you go forward. Wait a little bit. I don't have an activation key right now with me. Just click on that. I don't have an activation key right now with me. Just click on that. It says keep waiting now here. So I'm choosing here Windows 11 Pro. Go forward. And then I agree here. Waiting, and then I'm receiving here this error. So if you can't get the same error here, let's go and see what to do. So just basically now we need to go and close here. And then I'm gonna turn off the computer here totally. I'm gonna turn it off. And then let's go with the same procedure again. Turn on your computer. And you press whichever button you have for the boot screen. You go boot. Again, you boot from the USB key. We go the same procedure again, but we will choose another option then. So here in this, don't click on install, but click here on previous. It says like in my language, but in your language it says like previous version of setup. You click on that, and then you just go here and follow through this menu, install, and then it should actually work. Again, Windows Pro. I'm accepting this. So now it's working, and that's actually it. Let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if I could help you, or if you want to say thank you. Donations are appreciated, and I see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.